My God. Hola mi amigos, ¿cómo está? Muy bien. Or yo soy muy bien. Yo soy muy bien. Most times, as I say, we go through this life not feeling good. We have so much worries. But Jah, I'm telling you, Jah is so great. Jah give us so much things to distract us from all, let me hear right now, for distract us from all of these worries, you know what I mean? So I just came back from in the town. Everything is like that. Look, sometimes I wish me could explain these things. Like right now, the Spanish needle, is so attuned to me, to my vibration right now. Maybe because I feel attuned to the evening. This is literally my favorite time of evening when the day like a go. You know what I mean? But I'm doing well, and I just want to send a lot of love to you and to say keep your head up, keep strong, keep praying, meditate, drink water, eat well. In this time we have to take care of ourselves. We have to take care of ourselves in order so we can take care of our environment. And our environment includes our family, our friends, our lovers, our wives, our husbands, and any partnership. With home lifestyle, with wealth, with financial stability, health, so we take care of ourselves, thereby we take care of environment. So I know sometimes it get tough, it get real, like especially for people that are so attuned to the mental chatter, the dialogue going on in our minds. I want to share with you a way to ease this so that I can live with less frustration, more clarity, more freedom. Because no one wants to be stuck in bed with negative thoughts. That's not good. And I want to just share with you to stay connected to source. That our greatest way, that is your greatest gift, your greatest power, is that you are a child of God, child of the universe. Stay connected to source. So there are many ways to stay connected to source, energy, source, power. And some of the ways, one way is through meditation. One way is through meditation, right? So make sure say you meditate, make sure say you close your eyes and you ask yourself the questions that need to be asked by you. Meditation also helps you to sort of separate yourself from the chatter in your brain. To see they're not you, they're not yours. Some of the things are just circumstantial, and because the mind love to pick up on a lot of things and create something from it, that's what happens. So sometimes we just allow women to just run, because literally if we not create one way to have control over the mental chatter, it's gonna just continue running. It's like a machine, and until it either breaks us down or something. So we have to try even to catch it in its early stages. So catch the chatter in its early stages before it gets out of control. And meditation helps us to be able to operate differently, to operate more slowly, more in tune with who we are, less anxiety. So we need this peace within our minds and this clarity in our space, which is here, which is naturally what we have. We're gifted with on this planet. But as I said, mind takes over and creates stories around it, So just be aware. And once you become aware, as I said in many of my other videos, awareness is a great gift, is a great powerful strategy to use to bring clarity or to heal ourselves from certain things that we suffer from. And also know that you are a child of God and that you are not meant to suffer. And if sometimes we can welcome that presence into our lives to fill our hearts and fill our space. And we can do this by coming out in nature and looking at the sunset or the sunrise, looking at the fluffiness of the clouds, looking at the abundance of plants, looking at the butterflies, looking at how beautiful life is and how grateful we ought to be, you know what I mean? Because when we look at our surroundings, we realize that we were not created to suffer. We were not created to suffer. We were created to have fun and to find joy and to give and to express ourselves in this life. I wish I could really speak on like more in depth of the things that someone that goes through, especially anxiety. Anxiety is a big deal, and caring about what people think, that is another. So maybe do not care so much about what other people think. I know that is easier said than done, especially if you're like me and you're creating your own reality and you're not moving with the crowd right now. You're moving away from the crowd. Anxiety might creep in and you want to think about what other people think about you. You can't, and that is the thing. You cannot control what someone else might think. The only thing that we can control is what we have going on inside of us. So first of all, meditate, find out who you are, to separate yourself from the crowdiness of what is going on in your brain, and know that you are more than that. Next thing is to stop caring so much about what other people think and do what makes you happy as fuck, yo. Like, if that means so you have to go walk up and down on the streets or go beach by yourself, I don't know what you have to do. Just follow that intuition. Follow that thing where you know, say, if you do it, it'll go fill you up. You know that. It'll go make you smile. Don't get lost in the crowd, because you're not a crowd pleaser. You're not a follower. You're not here for that mess. You're here to express who you are. And that is what meditation also does, is to just bring you closer to who you are, to who God has written you to be, to your essence in this universe. It's not like you're a stagnant force and you're stuck one place and you have to deal with certain things. We're not trees. We're a step up from trees. We're evolution. And with that, we get to understand that we're always moving. There's always space to grow and to become more of who we are and less of who we're not. And that is what this journey is all about. Becoming less of what we are not. Less of the things that we've grown up identifying. I could tell you a million stories of my life that are so sad and broken and all these things. But if I'm learning to look at these things from a different angle, to see the lesson, which is the blessing. Some people say there is either a lesson or a blessing, but I just believe that even if it was a hard lesson, it is still a blessing. And we are strong, we're capable, we're brave, we're courageous, we're beautiful, vibrant people. We're fully blessed to be here in this time, in this space, on earth, spinning. You know what I mean? So many of us are just going through suffering. I know it's also a part of this time, but once we know, like, we have a core knowing of what our essence is, and keeping connected to that beautiful energy that we are, we can now see what is going on the surface and realize that they're mostly a part of it, the play of life and the things that we ourselves are attracting. You know, so once we look from a different angle to see how we can attract better, to see how we are actually attracting certain things. Sometimes we attract through our vibration. So if we're feeling low vibration and anger, we feel jealousy, we're gonna just keep attracting energies like that give us reason to get angry, give us reason to feel jealous. But if we're confident and glowing, yes, tests of life appear to us, but when we realize ourselves through these things, what we do? Grow. Yeah. So that's what I want to share with you. I just feel so blessed and so full of love, and I love the universe. I love the Creator. I think the Creator is awesome. I'd like to meet that Creator and have dinner. It's so weird. Yeah. So also meet the Creator through meditation. Ja. I can't. It's just so beautiful. So stay well, you're well, you are well, all is well, you're vibrant, you're beautiful energy. So eat well, take care of yourself, do what you got to do, meditate, drink water, put fuel and food in your body. When times get rough, you only have you to lean on, and leaning on yourself is making sure that you're taking care of who you are, being thankful, grateful for yourself, for your presence here, right? So until next time.